Yensa aka and say Kwesi Nyantakyi is shocked and disappointed. Say Aban Aswano and the no Akko court. The criminal charges bono. And then your first time or have subscribe and click the notification bell so. Now the lawyer Eden Sembia to I'll read in some of the transcript of what the lawyer said. Now M said just like most Ghanaians, that year say Kwesi Nyantakyi, there was no way Aban ever prosecuted no because senior na assembly kono na Ghana for him say Ghana for the assembly basano na ye ka ehura na adwa no. What we are hearing from Kwesi Nyantakyi's lawyer and they say wo hwe Kwesi Nyantakyi je wa fam or yawa wa fam ene nyama na frankly no they would him say there was no way Aban be na adwa say wo twe Kwesi Nyantakyi akọ court at the criminal charge akọ bono. Now, the lawyer not a kind. Let me read it. Or say, generally, even as ourselves as lawyers felt that the people resigned from the association, some have lost their international recognition and positions based on the expose. But say, what more lawyers crown? What more to say? We share the question that you were famous one. FIFA man a lifetime ban. Lifetime ban. Not just say, ask what we ask him. As for one wants to see idea, he can't do anything related to football. Onim, no wako bobo ka FIFA bet to me chimatum. It is that serious. FIFA man a lifetime ban. You're stripping off the position because what share Africa has say ya na ye can womo yen pinyi for football mo e free a year edia Africa pinyi was football ye calf pinyi a onu kwesi na de na neighbor. You just a position if in sim ya. It's in the lawyer and they say, we shall say, Yama, we are Kwesi Nyantakyi, Afemu Pan, or Mokra, a year more one. Now, we are not the chance to say, some have lost their recognition and positions based on the expose. So we thought it was even enough punishment for the persons involved, rather than coming to do something like a criminal charge. Into a more lawyer's crown. What we feel say, Kwesi Nyantakyi Afemu. Ghana aban ebehu ama na hu say at least sebe Kwesi Nyantakyi wa fame eye na yesa so the criminal charge we be born go more lawyers ne kra asem na tomoso especially if you look at the fact that somebody who has suffered a punishment for another act will be brought for trial. But as I said, those are things that happened outside Ghana. And at the end, the lawyer and they say, what share the FIFA nam so ye dey asake Kwesi Nyantakyi krana na ka Ghana dey na ka ni kwese ye dey no court say ye the criminal charge bono because enyama na esisi ye krana ensi e wo Ghana ene ni asama the lawyer no work out. Now we are not so they can say obviously they will be disappointed because anybody that is charged for some offenses that you were not part of or you did not commit them, you'll be disappointed. And so Kwesi Nyantakyi's lawyer is putting up the defense in the sense that Kwesi Nyantakyi didn't commit any offense. And so Kwesi Nyantakyi obviously is disappointed. Say Aban Aswano and the no akokota ye the charges he about the bonus. So that's a bravo bray sebe Aban ehu ne moboye. Say what tifia and then one you wo just say what fa baby cry and then Kwesi Nyantakyi pie esi dwoma Ghana for you will be able to say, I cry while you're crying for, I cry while you say, you're sending reputation cry, and then you have some lawyer on the air. We see that the Kochina baby and go for the body dimbone. You're saying the deal with Ghana has it. It is said, Lipa will offer in assembly say, Ghana want to mean back on public event, want to mean back. Ya say ni din the company say go the din ya say na Aban asanso asano akwa jina we no Kwesi Nyantakyi nkasa. He's very disappointed. The mamoti ase say sa Kwesi Nyantakyi asem ne de media ade amebo Aban number so because to be fair or to be frank with you, even me, I was writing on social media said there was no way Aban ebe na just will prosecute Kwesi Nyantakyi. Na Ghana ni die nim That is the normal thing in this country. Assembly bani e kan e to de bia na yika. Send the assembly ko chair ye no me even me I knew say there was no way na apan ebe prosecute Kwesi Nyantakyi. It assembly by a breaking news the bar and dra. Even me I was shocked. It is a can't Kwesi Nyantakyi na kasa e shocked. I'm not surprised. I was shocked. We say wow, we the abaya ya de yambo se mama emma aban. At least abaya ya de. But see, Kwesi Nyantakyi lawyer and still work us out. Or say this is not something he planned in his mind that he's going to execute. If you look at it from that angle, you realize it can happen to everybody in society, and also be careful and condemn these things. The lawyer na can say, "What share senior and nas here video no efa Kwesi Nyantakyi ho a." And then say Kwesi Nyantakyi na say, "We born the trimu pose, we kwa kwa in some of course video no so no, and then afiance and na the back can say me ni aye video no." But say what share the see here ni na. Ubehunu say from the angle I will know share things no, and then say Kwesi Nyantakyi and the boy payo. And a ekoko yes, but you see, if a lawyer speaks that way, I understand say you are a lawyer and you are defending your client. But nanka will be a bakwa no so be catch say enye bo apayo e kom na edi mi o e na mi business card ya ma mi o e na me ko bokro no. What you say? Obi asebe wokotu obi say woni ne yere eda obu ni papunu kun no. A police for chi ni tumu. Sebe na the trim no. Na bo apayo say wokotu se obi ni ne yere dat wokobu ni papuna na. Da bi na nche ni trim na nya bo apayo. It is a Kwesi Nyantakyi lawyer eba no work say the esi here wo announce video na nya bo apayo say Kwesi Nyantakyi ye na say I don't understand how you put that comment or that statement out, but say dem dey catch no asem no e wo court sisia. This matter me mama ti asie say Ghana fo a wo mo hwe say asem we wo mo agene akọ 25th March. Ghana fo wo hwe say asem we ye beka na animu na che say ya hwe say Kwesi Nyantakyi is guilty or not no. Don't forget it. This matter can take several years. It can take several years. Until we have to wait patiently and see how this matter will run out in court. But no name sama Kwesi Nyantakyi lawyer. And na Kwesi Nyantakyi truly lawyer, what they about to say obviously Kwesi Nyantakyi is shocked and disappointed with the criminal charges by Ede Abono. For me, where I sit, I'll say it's a charges now by the Abono. No. Iti ene nsemo eda ho eno ne nsemo eda ho. Interesting times ahead. Na me pese munya mo trem ade e wo comment box ni. Na the other form mesremo if we accept our mistakes Ghana you accept your mistakes ni e ba bonten ni e beka embra ebimo epechi this thing against Anas say Anas number 12 expose no fake no asema ebimo ba bonten beka and say asem we yentumi emfa nko court ene eno na state prosecution and state prosecutor na asha wo mo de Anas video no akwa gina court na tre say asem no emodu to the extent say mo feel say you betumi prosecute Kwesi Nyantakyi also interna ye de no akwa court no. It's more speaking against Anas on the expose in India. Mumbra bonten and make us say, wait dear, your dad. Just like saying your name, because my mamotia says, I have made it known on social media. More follow me on social media. I made it known. Say, me say, there is no way I could see Kwesi Nyantakyi ever prosecute. I said it 2 years ago. Said there is no way Kwesi Nyantakyi will be prosecuted. Last year, I said it again. This year, so me can and Chebia and I say abai prosecuting Kwesi Nyantakyi. Inti abai prosecuting Kwesi Nyantakyi. I've come out to say wait there. Abai ama benimu egwase. Na me bo se mama abai say abai aya de ni no is for the betterment of this country. Na anya nkoye say bi wo bia okokobọ krono brode obi about brode betting baako enu hunti ya chena kotum for 6 months na nkɔyɛ sɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ no pɛ na wɔn di korɔ no anaa korɔ no nsɛm ɛfɔ wɔn ho wɔ ghana yɛkyi wɔn tum. That is how it was looking like. Nti ne tiefoɔ mo nkyerɛ mo adwene ɛwɔ ɛyɛ comment box ni mu ɛma yɛ na woyɛ ne saa latest news bi aba a wɔn nsa ɛbɛka. So we wait to see how Kwesi Nyantakyi lawyer no na ɔne Kasapa FM for ɛna kasa ɛna wɔde saa nsɛm no ɛto dwa. Nti no we wait to see the outcome of this. Mo nkyerɛ mo adwene mi da ase.